Goody fam. Today's probably the same day as that one video with the 5 reasons why I hate driving in Germany. But today, as you guys can see, we got the Supra in today. What we're gonna try to do today is we're gonna try to fix this gap right here. Probably gonna move this a little forward so the door will close a little better. We're also gonna a little update. We also got a new boost gauge, AEM boost gauge, but it doesn't read all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and try to figure that out, tackle that out. And we're also gonna clean the car. The car, as you can see, she doesn't really seem all that much, but she's pretty dirty. I've been driving her a lot lately, so she's pretty dirty. Maybe even try to see if we can get the idling a little down, but yeah, so we'll go ahead and get that down. Probably gonna start with the door and then figure it out. We're probably gonna be go ahead and taking off the bumper to get to the fender and pull that out, and then try to get the door seated right. Probably just gonna time lapse this part too. Alrighty, holy crap, that was a pain in the ass to get out. But now what we're gonna try to do is position these probably a little more forward. I don't know if they moved back or not, but we're gonna try to position this a little more forward to hopefully get a better angle. Hopefully it sits better. Yeah, hold up. So we got the gap kind of there. It did chip like the thing. This car's definitely getting wrapped, so I mean, it doesn't really matter. What I did was I just got these, loosened them up, put the paint sticks on the bottom to make sure the gap was good, and then it's all right. Like, you can kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap kind of thing, but it is what it is. If the door closes, probably a lot better now. Can you close the door? Open the door. And close it. Oh, that chip fell. Like, open and close it all the way. Like, good normal. Yeah, this is that closed a lot better. Yeah, so. There's one problem, I guess, fixed. Now the door doesn't have to be slammed. But we'll try to tackle these other things. I need to put the fender back on, and we'll probably get up on the different things with the boost gauge. Update, we got the door to close properly now, and my screen is cracked. But so we got that. We actually stripped a bolt. In there, which is kind of booty. It is what it is right now. This is the boost gauge line. So I took it out. We're gonna run the AEM sensor through here, through right there, and then up there, which is just a pain in the ass because it's all in here. So I have to run it through this. Let's see if I can see it right there. Right, that if you can see that grommet in there, that yellow grommet, I have to run it through there. I have to run this through there, so wish me luck. I'll come back with an update. Holy smokes, we got the fucking bitch. Oh, that was a pain in the butt. I had to like make this thing to pull it out. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. Holy crap. Oh. Alright, so I'll just show you how I kind of have it hooked up just for now, just to test. So I have the boost line going into into the sensor. Obviously I'm gonna try to make this a little better. Obviously too, I wanted to get it hooked up over there, but my VCV valve is connected to that, so this is just teed up. I want to see if it reads. Let's go ahead and check it out. Where are my keys, boy? Where are my keys? Today's been a pain in my butt. Like, holy smokes, everything's just not gone the way I wanted to, but you know, we'll get it all figured out. Oh, let's see. It's on, but not reading. Usually it'll read. Oh my goodness, I gotta troubleshoot what's going on. Probably come back then. I don't know what it could be. We're in the car and I'm pretty sure I figured out what the issue is. Like right now she's reading, and like say I turn it back on and on, like it doesn't want to read or whatever. And then like I press back here, what the wires are at. Let's see if I can get it on camera. See, like now it reads. Pretty sure like the wires are a little fucked in the back, but yeah. Man, I did buy this off of the Supra forums. It was like $30 cheaper than normal, but should have just gone with the original TBH. But I mean, it is what it is. I'll probably figure it out, but I'm just gonna close this video out right here. It was pretty successful. We got the door to close way better. We got this boost gauge all wired up and all ready to go. So thank you again for watching this video. Hopefully with this whole Corona crap, I'll be able to get all of my parts that I want to buy for the car. And hopefully soon, because it's a really good weather now, soon I'll be able to wrap the car, have her all having one freaking color, which is gonna be great. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.